Let's talk to Eddie Tofpik, Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst for ADM Investor Services International Limited. Very good morning to you, Eddie.
Good morning.
Right, three charts, three pairs in this segment. Let's kick off with a Japanese yen against the US dollar. What are your thoughts?
All three of these are interesting, and this one in particularly because of one feature, which is the descending downtrend line we've had since January. That's running through at 106.03 at the moment. It's broken, so it should be thrown away. It should be just chucked away. But we're still using it. It goes away below, it goes above, and it comes back to it. And we are really very close to it at the moment. And that's fine. But every time we've tried to go lower, it's bounced up. And there may be another thing. We've got an uptrend line, which is a 2016 to date uptrend line, which is pushing through to the bottom of the chart. It's coming through at 104.43 at the moment. That's why it seems to be bouncing up, I think. And we're coming to a cusp, in the first week or so of April.
Understood. Okay, let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Again,
an interesting chart in its own particular way. We've got lots of support. We've got the long moving average at 78.04, the medium one at 77.76. We've got an uptrend line which has been sort of filled with but not really broken underneath because no two closes at 773. You'd think the thing would be going higher, but what's above the market? We've got a tine and also a 50% Fibonacci level, all around about the 79.22 level. And if you notice the action from yesterday, it went up there and immediately, like a child touching a hot stove, it came straight back off.
Right.
So I think we're coming to a cusp to see whether we're going to get that through. There'll probably be stops above that, but it's very, very interesting. There's a lot of support underneath the market, but will it bust through that?
Key resistance.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on finally to the South African rands.
Again, another beautiful thing that's going on here. We've broken the long-term downtrend, which we've gone and dealt with, but we established a new one, but we're not really far away from it. The question I put there was, there's a weekly key reversal here from 2 weeks ago. Where's the follow-through? There's no follow-through. So it's still trading around the 1178.35, which is where the trend is, and it's just using that as an angle of attack of the market. Nothing at the moment is pushing it in either direction. 11.5 is a nice, interesting round number support. Below that, 11.25, where we've got some February 2015 lows. But there's nothing really pushing it higher at the moment.
Okay, so the jury is out on that at this juncture.
I actually think that's going to try a little bit lower and see if we get down to that sort of 11.25 area, potentially, because there's no uptrends or anything that's really pushing this market up.
On that note, Eddie, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.